Here we are with my bike check. We have the Surly Pack Rat, size 58. On it, I have the Sugino crank with a Wolf Tooth 40 tooth 130 BCD. On the rear, I have a Shimano Dior 11 speed. I think it's 1146, big range. As far as the cockpit goes, we have the Crust towel rack with a micro shift bar end shifter, Cane Creek brake levers. On the brakes, we just have Shimano cheap V brakes, great for stopping, rad times. On the rear wheel, we have 650B 27.5 Velocity cliff hangers in the anodized purple. They've seen some wear, so they're a little lighter. Rear hub, we have the Hope Pro 4 red. I believe it is a 2-cross pattern back here. Front hub, we have the Pro 4 Hope single cross radial drive side lacing on this one. Hard to see, but I chose the Velocity cliff hangers on this one. It's a anodized pink, so pink and orange, purple, red. Tires, we have the Rene Airs Switchback Hill 650 by 48 tubeless ready. Bottle cages, we've got the I think they're MSW something cheap butterflies, holding my clean canteen. Pedals, I run a Race Face Chester purple. They're old as fuck and they suck, but they get the job done pretty well. Front bag, we've got the Ron's Bikes Fab Zabs periwinkle color. This bag's cool, turns into a fanny pack. Garmin 1030. For the bail, we go to a Swift Campout 2023 blue lug. Cool little thing Martina gave me. Yeah, red. Of course, we got to keep it rocking. We got the outdoor buckshot, whatever, Bluetooth speaker, bumps. I don't know. Keeps it bumping. Seat post is just some silver piece of shit I've had on many bikes. I think it's Specialized or something weird. One of my favorite stickers we've got on the bike is this Emma Ruth Rundle sticker I got at a show in Salt Lake City. As far as fenders go, we've got the Velo Orange Wavies. If they could go into zoom, that'd be cool. But yeah, 650. I scratched them up so it shows those lines a little better. I don't know, pretty cool. Keeps me dry. Rear tail light, just some Specialized stick. Kind of dumb, but lasts forever. Water bottle, clean canteen. No need to waste plastic when we've got good thermoses like this. We'll keep coffee warm. Does good. On the rear, we got the Aardvark reflective triangle. I've had this thing on a bunch of bikes. It's fun with fenders to put it down low like this. Watch that thing flap away. I don't know, it's pretty cool. It just keeps the vision low. It doesn't have to hang off the back of the saddle. If it does fall off, I've got some little 3M hearts underneath of it that are reflective, kind of fun. Yeah, this bike's had many handlebars on it, so I got the Doom there. We've got the International Kook Exchange program sticker from a while back that's really fun, as well as a Long Knife sticker, really cool punk band, saw them at a house show. in Salt Lake City. It was good times. Fun things I like to point out, little key things on the bike that make it fun. On the drive side, I did an upside down Surly sticker. And if it comes into focus, you'll see Pack Rat is also upside down. I took off the white stickers and made them put some black decals on there. Huge fan of non-drive side pictures myself. I don't care what the bike industry thinks. It's kind of fun to take non-drive side pictures, but on the non-drive side, I put the Surly stickers upright, normal, if you will. For brake pads, we did the Cool Stop formulated MTB, half salmon, half black. These are really nice. I don't know, they're the best, but they get the job done. More little International Kook Exchange stickers on the back here, just to make it fun. We've got some on both seat stays. Everybody loves that Fatties Fit Fine, but I just left it at Fatties. I like Fatties. One of the stickers I like to have hidden on the bike as well is the little Loyal Cycles, which I gotta give props to. Rad bike shop, good people, good energy, good community. Thanks for checking out my Surly Pack Rat. Hope you all enjoy. Yeah, we'll see you next time. Appreciate it, dude. Peace out.